always be, today I'm going to show you how I make homemade face mask from 4 ingredients around the house. Thank you for following me. Okay, let's go. We have turmeric powder, yogurt, honey, and egg white. First, add yogurt to the turmeric powder. Then add a tablespoon of honey. Separate the egg white from the egg yolk. Then just simply add the egg white to the rest of the ingredients. Mix them well together. But first, clean your face. I clean my face with gentle products because I have a little bit of allergy. But it looks like I'm vigorously rubbing my face, but actually a little bit gently. After the face is clean, then massage your face just for a few minutes. Massage your face, your neck, and gently rub around under your eye. Okay. Once you are ready, start applying the homemade face mask ingredient all over your face. It will look yellow, of course. Just apply the mix gently all over. Once finished, let the mask dry a little bit and come back to reapply all over. It feels really good too, even though after the second time applying it. So just go all over your face again with the homemade face mask. Once you apply the mask all over your face, you might have some left over. For me, I simply add into a storage cup and put it in a refrigerator for keeping next time or next day use, and let the mask dry maybe 10-15 minutes. And after that, clean my face very well and pat it dry. Follow with vitamins like vitamin C, moisturizer, or other night cream for the evening. And of course, don't forget to massage all your vitamins and moisturizer all gently on your face for good results. It doesn't matter our age. As a woman, we can always taking care of our face at any time. I think it's very important. Well, what do you think? My homemade face mask. Very easy ingredients to find it from around the house. Turmeric powder, yogurt, honey, and egg white. Easy to make. I hope you find time to make one for yourself and try. Please let me know if you like it. Until next time, bye. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. Until next time, take care.